Welcome to the start of this second video in the Arduino tutorial series. We're going to use this free website called Tinkercad, in which you can create your own circuits and simulate them to see how they work. So you go to the website, make an account and sign in. Once you do that, go to circuits and say create new circuit. To use components, you drag and drop them from the right onto this screen, and then you can do different tasks with them. First, let me get my Arduino into the screen. Then let me get my LED connected. Can connect the LED directly to the Arduino. If you drag it onto the Arduino, the pin connects. Once I have my hardware set up, you go into this code option. This is block coding. If you want to do proper Arduino coding, you press that and go into text. Continue. So this already gives you a basic code. Today we're going to learn how a breadboard is used and how to connect a breadboard to the Arduino. What is a breadboard? Breadboard is an electrical component which makes making hardware circuits easier and more accessible. How a breadboard works is you can see these many holes inside it. So all the holes in one column are connected. Like all these are connected by a thin metal plate. All these are connected. All these are connected. And on the corners, this whole row is connected. As you can see, like whatever is lit up in green is connected to one another. You'll see how this helps when I show you the next example. So I'll remove this LED now. To remove something, you can tap on it and press delete. So now if I want, like, say 3 LEDs and I all want them to blink at the same time, I don't need to have 3 different wires for each LED. I can connect them all together to the breadboard in one row. And since the breadboard is this whole line is connected, if I connect up 13 pin to here, tap. So I connect our ground pin to this, tap. All of these LEDs are connected to the 13 pin and the ground pin now, not only this one. That's basically what the breadboard does and how it works. So now if I just check our code is set for the blinking. That's correct. And once you want to check what something will do in Tinkercad, you press Start Simulation. So as you can see, these LEDs are blinking every 1 second.